Alright, so here we are again. We had a bit of an issue actually. We first put the pooty bolt stage 6 in and it wouldn't cycle, which was a little bit disappointing. So I took it apart and I discovered the usual culprit. The inner can O-ring wasn't fitting properly and it was causing it not to cycle. So I've changed that out and let's give this a shot now. Okay, so we were shooting about 305 before with the stock bolt. Whoa, 328, 312, 312, 316, 316. Okay, wait, let's just turn this down a little bit here. So we'll go a quarter turn down. Go ahead. 315, well. 292, 300, 302, 307, 303, 293, 324, what the heck, eh? 325, 309, 310. Let me just turn it down a little more here.
Okay.
How about for smoothness? How is it for smoothness, Josh?
It's actually really smooth, like,
Smoother than the stock?
yeah, way smoother than the stock.
Okay, go ahead. 305, 290, 279, 291, 294, 290, 288, 295, this is a misread. Wait, go. 302, 293. Okay, pretty good. Give it a little trigger run. See how it feels. All right.
That's really nice.
Really smooth?
Oh yeah.
Good. So I hope the consistency will improve a bit with better balls and as it breaks in. But there's your pooty bolt. Thanks a lot, Pooty.